Hey guys, welcome to the Whimsical Workshop. We have another unboxing. This one is from Open Gate, so let's get started. Alright, so if you've been following along with my unboxing videos, you know I am subscribing to different quilting subscription boxes for 3 months, sharing with you the results of what I get, and letting you know my opinion on whether or not I think it's worth the value that we're paying for them. Open Gate, I started back in July doing the Open Gate subscription boxes. I actually really have enjoyed them and have continued doing this one because I do see myself doing these projects and I do feel the value is very, very nice. Unfortunately, for a couple of those months, I wasn't doing any videos, so you missed a couple. So we're going to keep showing these for another month or two so you get an idea of why I like them so much. And I believe this is the November box, so let's open it up and see what we've got. All right, so here's our box. I haven't even opened it. This thing has been sitting here on my cutting table for several days because I wanted to open it with you guys, and I didn't want to peek ahead. And this is fighting me, so let's get my crafty knife here. That'll make it easier. All right, so let's see what we've got in our box today. As always, it's got the beautiful sticker on top and it's very, very nicely packaged. You know, a presentation does a lot for getting your anticipation up and getting you excited for what's inside. Yeah, I'm not ripping her sticker. I'm cutting it with scissors. You do it your way, I'll do it my way. All right, so what do we got here? So this is the November 2021 box. Whoops, stuff is flying. There's all kinds of things on here. We're gonna look at that at the end. Let's see what we've got in here. Ooh, pretty, pretty. As always, we get a spool of Aurifil thread, 50 weight, which is my favorite thread. I am an Auriphilosopher. I do go out and lecture about Aurifil. If you're interested in that, you can always reach out to me. So it's nice that every month I get another thread to add to my collection. And this month is white. And then we have Out of the Woods wall hanging. So those are the pretty fabrics. We're looking at some Christmassy fabrics. Oh, how cute is that? Let me get it out of here because again, the glare is just horrible. She always sends you this old-timey photo, which, you know, I'm dating myself, but there is the photo of it. It is super, super cute. Looks very simple. Here are the directions, which she gives you full color illustrations with all the dimensions on it. And oh, we're going to be using the tool that comes in the box, so let's get to that. So this one is called Out of the Woods wall hanging. Again, I can see myself making this. It would be like a day project. It'd be really, really fun. So there's that. Then we got a simple apron. Oh, how cute is that one? And actually, I'm gonna pull the fabrics out so we can take a peek at those on both of them. But there is the simple apron, just a really cute apron with pockets, with one pocket. I'm sure there's probably enough fabric in there for a second one. Directions again on how to do it. It's called a simple apron, so we can, you know, put that to the test, see if it's really simple. And oh, these are so pretty, pretty, pretty fabrics. So we've got this very pretty linen print. I've seen this in several companies and I really do like the fact that it looks like linen, but you're not fighting with linen. Very pretty pumpkins. And then some more of the linen. So this is the back of the apron, this is the front of the apron, and this must be the pocket. If I was to go on a limb, that's what I would guess. So there is the little simple apron. And then let's go back over here and look at the Christmas. Here's the Christmas fabrics. So we've got this really pretty red plaid. And I do know, oh, I do. Okay, so this is from, oh, this is Yuletide. This is from Clothworks. Clothworks has got the nicest fabric. It's so soft. It's very, very silky. So then we've got the poinsettia. And we've got the trees and the windmills and the little elves here. Let's see this one. There's just a little strip of it. So this must be, oh, there's more of this. Oh, that's the border. Okay, so this is the tree. This is one of the tree fabrics. Then we've got this really pretty red. That is the tree fabric. Then we've got more. Oh, are these cut? Oh, they've already cut the borders. Oh, the borders are already cut. That's cool. So there's more of the little windmills and the little reindeer and the elf. That's very, very sweet. And then we've got the white for the background. So everything we need to make that little tree quilt. So we will definitely be messing with that one. That is very cute. Now I've made my pretty kits all messy, but that's okay. I'm okay doing it for you guys. All right, so there's that. So then we've got, let's see here, Open Gate Quilts. We're celebrating our first anniversary. So they've only been doing this a year. They've done a very nice job. As I thank you, our loyal subscribers, please enjoy a PDF pattern for free. You can choose your pattern at Open Gate. Oh, and then there's the code. It says checkout only one per person. So they give me a code, which I am thumbing out so you cannot see it, but you get this little tiny charm of a Singer sewing machine, which is super sweet. And they're giving us a choice of whatever pattern we want on their website, which is very generous of them. Every other month we get one of her patterns in the box, and then on the opposite month you get a fat quarter. So in this month, oh, that's very pretty. We got her pattern for Open in the Clouds. This is in the clouds. Looks like it's triangles in a square, and then a 3 triangle. It's not a quarter square triangle. It's not a half square triangle. It's a 3 square triangle, I guess. Very, very pretty, very different. Definitely, and it uses fat quarters. It's all built with fat quarters. So that is very nice. And then the tool of the month, which is kind of funny because I just bought this tool from another manufacturer. This is called the Quick Quarter Quilter's Ruler. And so for this, I think just like I did the little flying geese ruler, I'll do a quickie demo on how this works and share it with you so you can see. But yeah, I've been intrigued by these tools. So I actually just bought a really long one when I was in Minnesota teaching last week. And now I got one in the box, so I've got 2. All right, so that's what we got. We got this pretty pattern, we got the tool, we got the Christmas tree kit, we've got the simple apron kit, a spool of thread, the charm with the free pattern, and that is what we got in this box. So let's see what her notes say. Now this one is a, I think it's a $45 box and then $5 for shipping. So it's a $50 box if you take everything into consideration, and you get 2 kits, a pattern or fat quarter, a notion, and a spool of thread. So I feel like it's a very nice value for what you get. I've enjoyed everything I've gotten in these boxes. So this is definitely a thumbs up box for me. So let's see what we got here. We've got the Out of the Woods wall hanging we talked about, the simple apron we talked about. The notion of the month is the Quick Quarter 8-inch ruler from Quilter's Rule. She says use it to make the birds in the air blocks, which I assume are flying geese. Everybody has a name for them. We got the Aurifil 50 weight thread, the Open Gate pattern, the Happy First Anniversary charm and free pattern download. And then she actually does a Open Gate quilt box video that you can go check out, and she goes over everything in it and how to use the different things that she's put in the box. So she's not only just giving you the box, she's also taking the time to educate you with a video, which I think is, you know, is kudos. Let's see here. If you want to have backings, you can always contact her the month before, and if your project doesn't have a back, she will stick it in there. And this one, yeah, the quilt does not have a back. The apron obviously does. So she's also changed how she does billing. So if you've done these before, she's doing changing it to make it easier on you and them. And she still lets you cancel the 10th of each month, which again, I think is very cool. On most of the subscription boxes, you do not have to sign up for like a 3-month commitment or a 6-month commitment. I do a lot of art supply subscription boxes, and they give you a discount, or in some cases you do need to do 3 months. And I don't necessarily like that. I like being able to hop in and out as I need to. So there we go. There's another Open Gate quilt box for you guys. I think I will do one more next month, and then we are definitely looking for other subscription boxes that we can review and share with you. So if you've seen one and you're curious, or you have one that you've gotten and you think we should share with everybody else, please leave it in the comments below and I will make sure to check it out and see if we can get that in the videos for you guys to share. As we're going into 2022, I am changing up how we do our videos. I'm going to be doing a lot more tool tutorials, still do the unboxings because you guys seem to really like them, as well as some other like things that as a pro quilter I can share with you. We'll be doing some more design videos where I show you my design process, but I am open to other suggestions. What would you like to see in a quilting video or a creative video from me? We can touch base on color, different types of blocks, rulers, tools. If there's a tool you want me to review, leave it in the comments below. I really want to create content that you guys enjoy watching, and I would really like some feedback from you on what we produce for next year. So with that, I'm going to let you go. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell if you want to be notified every time we do a video. And until next time, have a good night.